Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a professional dog groomer. My salon is located inside the Fountain Hills Veterinary Hospital. I practice with a holistic approach offering one-on-one service. I use only natural and healthy ingredients with my grooming and my cleaning supplies. I use aromatherapy during my sessions to give more of a calming atmosphere. I also offer custom aromatherapy shampoos and organic shampoos. Balanced Paws isn't just a place to give your dog a spa day. My focus is on the dog's whole well-being. If you're interested in learning more, please call or visit my website.